Hi, readers. Earlier this week, we talked about a reading strategy to help you stay engaged and really comprehend your text. We made mental movies or practice visualizing while we were reading. I'm going to teach you about another crucial strategy to help you comprehend and really enjoy your text more. We need to be paying attention when our mental movie becomes fuzzy or when the picture's not as clear. We're going to call this reading strategy fixing the fuzziness. So here we go. While you're reading, it's so important that you're making sense of what you're reading about. You need to check in with meaning by asking yourself, what's happening, who's in the scene, and where are they? You should ask yourself, can I see what's happening? Am I thinking about, having feelings about, and reacting to what's happening in the story? If you feel like anything is fuzzy, you should back up and reread to make sure you're understanding. Let's talk about those steps again. You're going to check for meaning and understanding, and if it's not clear, you need to ask yourself a few things. Who is in the scene? What are they doing? And where are they? You should also ask yourself, can I make a mental movie in my head with all of the pieces, with the characters, with their dialogue or their voices, with the setting, and is it changing as the story's changing? And also, this is so important. When you read, you should be having feelings and reactions about what's happening. So it's important to stop and check in with those 3 questions. And if those questions aren't clear, if you can't clearly answer those questions, then it tells you that you should stop and reread a little bit to make sure that you can jump back into the last place where you were really understanding the text. So we're going to do that today. I'm going to give you some time to get lost in your book, and then I want you to stop and check in periodically. Make sure that you are understanding the text that you're reading and you're feeling and reacting to what's happening in the story. Go ahead and read for 20 to 40 minutes, and then click on the Google link below this video to just kind of give me a little reflection of what you read. All right, champs, I hope that you love reading today, like you should every day, and I hope you get totally lost in your treasure and that you're always checking for meaning to make sure that you are being the best reader that you can be and you're enjoying the stories as much as they are meant to be enjoyed. The author wouldn't want it any other way, and neither would I. Bye, readers.